I'm Eric Ramsey with the Puck sales team, and today we're looking at the single axle force feed trailer. This particular model is the FF4570. Comes standard with a Cat 93B engine, which is 456 horsepower. It also has a Cornell 6819 MPC wide iron pump. With this trailer, we have a standard setup with a gooseneck trailer and a storage rack up front, which holds an ATV, has the ramps for the ATV. And it also has our standard setup with a Krone flow meter. And with this particular unit, it has a 28-foot boom. And on that boom, we have an 8N WH Cornell pump. We also have the option for a Dota submersible or a Noon submersible pump to go on the ends of these particular units. With this setup, we have a bypass unit that allows you to circulate manure around the barn and not have to send manure through the whole system out to the field. So it allows you to agitate the pit while you're waiting to send manure out to the field. Also with the controls for the boom, we have a remote control unit that allows you to stand back and safely maneuver and operate that boom without having to stand at the controls at the pump. So it allows some safety factor built in here so that nobody has to be standing next to the unit when we're moving the arm around. As with all of our equipment, it comes standard with the Lightspeed package. That Lightspeed control system allows you to control the unit remotely from any web-enabled device. It allows you to start and stop the engine, to throttle up, throttle down, and open and close gates. It also gives you visibility to flow, so you can see flow going out to the field. With our force feed unit, the 4570, we also have a priming system built in that allows for those situations where a priming situation may be needed. It comes standard with the caps that allow it to be set up and put onto the pump unit to be able to pump and prime with this particular unit as well. Not only with the force feed, but we also have the priming option. And it also comes standard with downriggers at all 4 points, front and back, to be able to balance that unit wherever you may have to be positioned. We all know that the locations where you set up, whether it's at a lagoon or a barn, are not the most even of locations, and so having those downriggers allows you to set up and evenly level that unit wherever it may need to be. With all Puck lead pumps, it comes standard with quick connects for a lagoon feeder. This lagoon feeder will allow you to get to those spots where the boom may not be able to reach and be able to access those lagoons that are a little bit deeper. With that setup, we can average around 3,000 plus gallons per minute. Through the boom, you can expect to get 2,500 gallons a minute pretty consistently. If you have any questions about the FF4570 single axle force feed trailer, please reach out to me or any of the sales personnel here at Puck, and we'd be happy to answer those questions.